Sourdough bread. So when I say it's homemade, it's homemade. Yeah, that's why I mixed the dough. And this is another loaf I'm gonna prepare to be baked. You wanna see my starter? Oh boy, look at those bubbles in there. 7 days, get a good starter. Sourdough bread, loading 101. Alright, there is our 2 loaves of bread. I'm gonna put them in the oven because I do not have a Dutch oven. Then I'm gonna put some water to just put in some steam in there underneath the, see that? Water. Boom. We got beautiful things also going on here. Easy baked vegetables. There you have it. Look at that crap, yo. Ooh, Michael Jackson. Oh boy, a wonderful 2 pieces of bread. Cut it later, let it rest for a few hours. Then we will see what is in there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is bread. I call this rye sourdough bread because I used some rye flour and not enough holes in it, but could be better. Sure, next time I'll try the white all-purpose flour. But hey, look at that. Getting better by the day. Rye sourdough bread from my homemade kitchen. Period. There it is. Chopped up all together. 2 loaves of bread. Be better on the air. Maybe next time. Not bad for a fast rye bread.